everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic Drive, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So the Bitrix24 provides the file storage software named Drive. The Bitrix24 web file storage software allow you to create, edit, share any work related file easily accessible from both desktop and mobile device. It is also integrated with Google Docs and Office 365. Bitrix24 Drive is a great fit for your project management needs. So it is a 24 by 7 access from any device. It is safe and secure storage for your data. You can also integrate it with Office 365 and Google Docs. It is an online document. You can also configure access permissions. So here you can see my drive option where you can create or add the file. You can create the folder, you can create the file, you can add the file, you can connect the Google Docs, you can integrate the Google Docs, you can integrate with the MS Office 365. So it is a ideal for online collaboration. You can store important file and document, co-edit and share them online with your team and external user. Create a group folder for a department or project and invite your teammate to collaborate online. You can share it publicly, internal link, you can share it with other users also. You can give the access permissions or you can add the user over here. So as I have add the user, you can give the permissions like the user can only read the edit, or he would have full access. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.